Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Glenn Kellaway from the basement. It is kind of a chilly Sunday morning here in Trenton, Ontario. I'm sitting here in sweatpants and socks and everything. Hot off getting my amazing Caravan box set, which I've been completely obsessed with. The live material on that is incredible. I'm not too crazy about the later albums. Better by Far and Cool Water, and they're very poppy. There's not proggy at all, in my opinion, and kind of a bit on the lame side. I got to give them more listens. The live stuff is incredible, but that's not why I'm here. I'm here to talk about my second obsession. After I got through with being obsessed with Caravan, I got obsessed with David Bowie. I think I need some psychiatric help. I don't know who I'm going to get obsessed with next. So I went from being a real good, casual, respectful David Bowie fan to being absolutely obsessed and thinking the man's incredible. Thanks to Larry Graves on the CD Exchange giving me the Low album, which I had never heard before and blew me away. I ended up, I don't know how many Bowie albums I got. Look at my CDs. I'll just, I went from having like a half a dozen albums to having like 22 or something like that in a very short time. And I had my eye on this box set, which came this morning, really early. Usually we don't get our Amazon deliveries till about 3 or 4 in the afternoon. This showed up this morning already at 9 o'clock. David Bowie, Brilliant Adventure, 1992 to 2001. So first, again, Amazon. I don't know if you guys follow this. It's like following the stock market. So I wanted this, and it was a hundred and I'm going to say a month ago. It was $107, and I was going to order it. I was in the States, and when I get home, I'm going to order it. Or I told my wife my birthday's coming up in June. I said get it for my birthday. I get home, and they doubled the friggin' price on it to 200. I think it was like $204 or something. I went so. Stayed like that for a while. Then it dropped down to like 160 something. Stayed at 160 for a while. Then it dropped to 150, and I'm going, I'm just going to sit and watch what happens with it here. So it kept dropping day by day over a period of a week or so. It ended up at $122. It's not quite the 107 that I saw earlier, but I thought I'd get it. I had recently sold a couple things on Facebook Marketplace, so I had a bit of mad money, and so I purchased this set. Said 122 bucks Canadian, and yeah. So Bowie, the Bowie estate has been releasing box sets for a while now. This is the fifth in a series. The first one was 5 years from 1969 to 73. Second one, Who Can I Be Now, 74 to 76. The third one, A New Career in a New Town, which covers 77 to 82. Loving the Alien, which covers 83 to 88. In this set, Brilliant Adventures, 92 to 2001. This has 11 CDs. There's also an 18 record set, a vinyl record set, which looks amazing, but it's like 400 and some dollars. No way I can afford that. So all the discs are newly remastered. It kind of covers some of Bowie's more experimental stuff. There's a book in here. We're going to go through it together. I haven't opened it yet. It's not packaged anymore, but I have not opened the set to look at the CDs or anything. Yeah, it's 84-page book in here. I don't know how that happens, but we'll see. The magic of David Bowie being able to put an 84-page book in this. It shows the man's a genius. Okay, there we go. Good heavy box. Nothing written on the thing, just the artwork. Okay, oh, look at this book. That's weird, a hardcover book that comes in a small, usually they're soft cover. That's pretty cool. Wow. I'm impressed by that right away. That's quality. Okay. Cool picture of Mr. B. All the albums it includes: Black Tie, White Noise. Wow, there's information on production and on the album. Wow, looks like really in depth. Man, very cool. Another one, Buddha of Siberia, which is supposed to be a very, or Suburbia, I'm sorry. Supposed to be pretty experimental stuff. Outside. Yeah, so cool book. Looking forward to reading that. Let's look at the meat of it, which is the music. So I don't know too much about this. Now, one of the albums that strikes me as Toy. This came out independently in its own box set right now. It I think was recorded in like 2001 or something, or was going to be released, and then they didn't release it, so and held it back until this year. Not quite sure the details. I know there's like I said, an independent box set for this release. So interested in hearing that. So we've got Toy. Wow, look at the way these things are housed. This is great. So it comes with the slip cover for the CD. But look at this. Discs are put in a plastic thing. That is awesome. That is first class. Well done. That gets 10 out of 10 for me just doing that, because, boy, you buy some box sets, they could care less if the CDs last or not. Recall number 5. I don't know anything about any of these albums, so forgive me for not going into any kind of historical detail on them. Again, look at, wow. Oh, this is, Recall has 3 discs. Recall 5. Wow. Again, all packaged. Nicely packaged. One question I have for any Bowie fans out there who have all these sets is, now that I have like the individual CDs, do I need the other sets? Like, is there things in there that I should want and just trade my CDs in, or am I okay with just the CDs? Again, I'm so impressed with the packaging. That's incredible. So this is BBC Radio Theatre London. I believe this was a bit rare. Tracks on this, which I will know, is Wild as the Wind, one of my favorite Bowie songs actually. Ashes to Ashes, 7. This Is Not America, Absolute Beginners. Always Crashing in the Same Car, cool title. I Dig Everything, Little Wonder. The Man Who Sold the World, Fame, Stay. Heroes, Starman, Let's Dance. That should be interesting. David Bowie Hours. Wow, this set might be the best packaged CD set I've ever seen. If the other sets are packaged like this, I might just, if I win a lottery, buy them. They're just amazing. Look at like the glossiness and heavy cover. Man, I am so impressed. Earthling, David Bowie. I've seen this album around but never heard it. Again, just like, it feels like a record jacket. It doesn't feel like a flimsy CD cover. David Bowie Outside. The Buddha of Suburbia, David Bowie. And Black Tie, White Noise, which I believe is a very experimental album. Never heard it. So that's the set. Man, I am so impressed with the quality of this. Dying to dig into the music. I'll let you guys know what I think. Yeah, thanks for watching. Appreciate it very much. Please remember that Sam St. John and I have a contest running to name our band. So please participate, help us out, and it'll be fun. There's a gift certificate involved. Go to Sam's channel, upload a video, give us a band name, name 3 songs you'd like us to play next time we're together, which is July 27th. That's when we're going to do the draw when we're together. And yeah, please help us out. And I hope everyone has a beautiful Sunday. And thinking about all the veterans on Memorial Day weekend in our neighbors to the south. So peace, everyone. Take care.